Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the YouTube Music application. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your YouTube Music app, which of course I have done right here. Now, the next thing is, where exactly can you download YouTube Music from? If you're using an Android phone, then you can get it on Google Play Store. If you're using an Apple or an iPhone rather, you can get it on Apple Store. So launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type YouTube Music and follow through the on-screen instructions to install. Of course, after installing, it's going to take you right into the sign up page, where you will be directed to sign in, and you're going to get over to the home page. Now, YouTube Music is integrated to your Google account, so signing in is hassle-free. Now, once you sign in, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage with an interesting user interface, I must say. So now that here's really hop into today's stats, and that is how to use YouTube Music. I'm going to show you how to use the icons below. So where you have home, samples, explore, you have library, and you have upgrade. So you can head over to library, and once you head over to library, at the top corner of your screen, you find playlists, you see songs, you see albums, artists, and podcasts. So if you click on playlists, you find all of your playlists, and if you check songs, you see all of your songs. If you see check albums, you see the albums you have. You can check for artists, and of course the podcast that you have saved to your library. So I can head over to the homepage and open a song for me to show you how that works. So let's say this is a song right here, and I'm just going to click on the three dots menu there. So over here you can start radio. Now, what's a start radio feature? The radio feature. Now, the radio feature is for videos. Let's say you're playing a video and you want to listen to it as audio mode away from the video. So just go ahead and click on start radio and start listening to that video on radio mode. So you can add to queue, you can save to library, you can download, you can go to album, and you can go to artists. You can check playlist, you can save to playlist, and of course you can share. There's one amazing thing I love about YouTube Music is that you can download. You don't have to be a premium user before you download the music that you love, and honestly I must give them a plus for that. So let's open up any music. So these are the songs that I love so much, and that's Cleansing Fire by the legendary Pastor Lawrence Oyor. Now, for this song, if you want to play, of course, use the play button. Now, you have this icon right here with the scissors icon, that's shuffle. So you can click on that and shuffle. After this, it shuffles to the next and shuffles to the next, and just keep playing. Then you can use the next icon to go backwards to play the next song, and you can use this icon, the forward icon, to play the next song at the front. And then the next thing is the repeat icon. So you can click on the repeat icon, right? So after this finished playing, after it is done playing, it's going to just keep playing and playing and playing. It's going to keep on blessing your ears. All right, so from the top right corner of the screen, you have this three dots menu. I can click on that, and of course I've shown you how to use the radio mode. You can add to queue, you can save to library, you can download, you can go to album, you can go to artist, you can dismiss queue, you can report, and you can use the sleep timer. You can even give this a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Trust me, once you listen to the song, you're definitely going to give it a thumbs up. So that's pretty much it. You can even swipe left and see more options here that are readily available. Okay, so that's pretty much how you can use YouTube Music. Now you can go all the way down and use the search bar to search amazing songs of your choice. Scroll all the way down and you see more things that you can explore on YouTube Music. Now you can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.